Breaking into tech from a non-traditional background comes with a unique set of challenges, and one of the most significant ones is the lack of guidance and uncertainty about whether you're on the right path. You might have learned various programming languages, tackled different frameworks, and even built a few projects, but the lingering question remains: is this enough to land me a job? Because of your non-traditional path, you may not have been exposed to learning proper software engineering practices like breaking down projects, testing your code, coding in a collaborative way, building CI pipelines, and much more. This is precisely why I created Umacodes Academy. Umacodes Academy is a 6-week live cohort program designed to bridge the gap between coding proficiency and real-world application for a successful career in software development. In the academy, students will be put into teams where they work on programming projects using industry software engineering standards. You'll get hands-on experience using tools like Jira, learning how to plan and break down projects into sprints, user stories, and tasks. You'll also learn to use GitHub in a collaborative way, creating and reviewing pull requests, as well as working with GitHub Actions to create CI pipelines, deployment, and much more. We'll also cover building an online presence to network and showcase your skills, crafting a killer resume, navigating job applications, and acing those technical interviews. By the end of the program, you will have been exposed to industry software engineering practices you can then add to your resume and speak on during job interviews. You would have also learned about networking, technical interview preparations, and much more. The first cohort will kick off in January 2024, and there are very limited spots. Be sure to stay in the loop by signing up for my newsletter so you'll be the first to know when applications open up. The link is down in the description below.